One fine day while on my way to Ipswich by the sea, I met a rather charming chap who asked me into tea. It seems he was a dragon, you know the kind with wings, teeth and tails and claws and scales and all those dragon-like details. I admit I jumped a bit when he began to sing. I'm the reluctant dragon, what ho, quite so, the very reluctant dragon, oh very, very don't you know, they call me the timid dragon, what rot, I'm not, I just won't fight, I'd rather play, I know I shan't get hurt that way. Here we go gathering nuts in May, I'm so reluctant, oh so reluctant. After we had sipped our tea, a thought popped in my head, a dragon here? By Jove, that's queer. He really should be dead. I say, look here, I said, aren't you a bit extinct? He looked at me and gave a cry and wiped a teardrop from his eye. Heaved his bosom with a sigh. Then he coyly winked. I'm the reluctant dragon, that's me, carefree. I'm the reluctant dragon, reluctant since 1911 BC. Good thing they call me the timid dragon. La 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 la. What rot? What a lot of rot. I'm not. What a lot of rot. When others fight, I run away. I guess that I was born that way. I'm to be queen of the May today. I'm the reluctant dragon. I'm frail and pale. The awful reluctant dragon. Don't step on my tail. They call me the timid dragon. What rot? I'm not. I just won't fight. I'd rather play. I know I shan't get hurt that way. Here we go gathering nuts in May, nuts in May, nuts in May. I'm so reluctant. Woo.